I am just waiting to see if anyone will show up to this Zoom meeting. I'll give about a minute or two, and then I will begin. I will wait one more minute, and then I will get started. Okay, boys and girls, so I am going to begin our writing lesson for this afternoon. Welcome. Yesterday we began by looking at a new writing prompt, and that writing prompt was an informational paragraph about a problem and a solution. So we took a look at a few problems that you might have that was recommended in the packet. And hopefully you had the opportunity to come up with your own packet. For this writing assignment, I chose to write about getting late to school, or how can you not be late to school. So I completed the organizational piece here. And if you do not have this, you can find this organizational piece in Google Classroom from yesterday's lesson, which would be 324. So go ahead, you can download that document to help you with your paragraph. So today I'm going to be taking the words that I have here, the sentences, and then putting them together to make a cohesive paragraph, okay? So here's what we have. For our opening question, our strong beginning, are you tired of getting to school late? For my problem statement, I have getting to school late can be a bad start to your day. Now, I kind of like that, but I think I want to rephrase that a different way. So I'm going to say, getting to school late, how about can ruin your day? So I'm going to cross that out. And I'm going to say, can ruin your day. I like that better. Okay. My problem statement, I put on my organizer, getting to school late can be my possible solution, I put on my organizer, planning ahead to become organized for the next day. That was my possible solution. Now, to put it in a sentence that fits within our paragraph, I said, you should plan ahead to get organized for the next day. So boys and girls, I had to change this sentence so that it makes sense in the paragraph. Next, solution details. 1, you can set an alarm to wake you up on time. Now, when we're talking about our solution details, boys and girls, we want to make sure that we put transitional words in our writing. So the first transitional word that I'm going to use is first, and I'm going to highlight that. Okay? First, set your alarm so that you will wake up on time. All right? The next solution detail I have is lay out your clothes the night before. So I have next, which is another transitional word. I'll highlight it. Lay out your clothes the night before. Now, boys and girls, when I speak, in my mind, I know what lay out your clothes the night before means. But when I'm writing, it needs to be a little more clear. So I need to think of a better way to say, lay out your clothes the night before. What can I say? Maybe I can say, take your clothes out, or take your clothes from your closet. Let me think it through. Take the clothes that you are planning to wear the next day out of your closet the night before. It's a lot better. So we're going to cross that out. And we're going to say, next, take the clothes you are planning to wear out of your closet the night before. And I'm going to add a sentence. That way, you will not waste time looking for something to wear in the morning. So that kind of explains why, okay, you should take your clothes out the night before. For my third solution, I have put important supplies in your backpack in the evening and be sure to make and pack your lunch. That's what I have here. So here I said last, and that's my last transition. Put important supplies in your backpack in the evening and be sure to pack your lunch. I think I want to do what I did here, kind of explaining why this is a good idea. Packing your backpack early can ensure that you will have all of your materials needed for the next day. I like that. Okay. And then finally, a conclusion. My conclusion says, these few steps will help you get to school on time. It's okay, but I think I'd like to come up with something a bit more powerful to end my paragraph. So maybe if I put, okay, let's get rid of that. Oops, what did I do? Okay, so let's get rid of that, and I'll say, taking these steps can help ensure that you get to school on time. Okay? And that is the end of my paragraph. So let's read it from the beginning. Are you tired of getting to school late? Getting to school late can ruin your day. You should plan ahead to get organized for the next day. First, set your alarm so that you will wake up on time. Next, take the clothes you are planning to wear out of your closet the night before. That way, you will not waste time looking for something to wear in the morning. Last, put important supplies in your backpack in the evening and be sure to pack your lunch. Packing your backpack early can ensure that you will have all of your materials needed for the next day. Taking these steps can help ensure you get to school on time. Okay, so boys and girls, as I'm rereading it, I have the word ensure here, and I've used the word ensure here. Okay, so one thing that you want to do as a writer is to make sure you're not constantly repeating the same words. Okay, so let's see if we can think of another word instead of ensure. Packing your backpack early can what can we say here? Packing your backpack early can, you know what, boys and girls, for this draft, I'm not quite sure of the word that I want to use. Because this isn't my final draft or my publishing, and I know that I'll have time to write a little more and do some more revisions, I'm not going to really worry about it. But I do have these two words underlined here and there. And that way, when I go back, it'll remind me that I want to use another word. So remember, boys and girls, your writing does not have to be perfect until you get to that publishing stage. That is when you've said, I've done all of my corrections, okay? And now I'm ready. But for now, we're not there. So I'm going to use it, leave those two words there, and give it some more thought, okay? So that is our lesson for today. I'd like for you to now take time, use your organized writing, all right, and begin writing your paragraph. As you notice, boys and girls, I indented here. Please remember that you need to indent your first sentence of your paragraph. All right, get started on your writing, complete today's assignments, and should you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. I can't wait to read your paragraphs. We'll see you tomorrow.